Students, in this video, we'll study the topic interpersonal skills. First of all, we'll be starting with the topic communication. Once you are through with the basic of it, then we'll go into this interpersonal skill. What do we mean by communication? Now, communication, it is derived from a Latin word communis. Now, what does it mean? It means sharing the same idea. Okay, so this means to share the same idea. Whenever you are doing this communication, the definition when we are talking about, here you need to have three things in your mind. What are those three things? Three important things of communication. The first one is that it involves, what does it involves? It involves ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. डेफिनेटली अगर कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस को पूरा होना है तो उसके लिए ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड थिंग, whenever you are initiating a communication process, आपके पास एक सेंडर होना चाहिए. You need to have one sender and one receiver, है ना. If there is no sender, then who will send the message? If there is no receiver, then who will receive the message? So these two are very important. Third one, which makes the communication complete, what it is that it should be understood in the same manner. Now what does it mean? See, this is very important. Why so? कम्युनिकेशन, वंस यू जस्ट ट्रांसमिट द इंफॉर्मेशन, एक बार आपने इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी, आइडिया दे दिया, दैट डजंट मीन कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस जो है दैट इज़ कंप्लीट. इट कैन नॉट बी कंप्लीटेड विदाउट दिस थर्ड वन विच सेज कि आप जिस तरीके से समझा रहे हो आपके रिसीवर को उसी तरीके से समझ आना चाहिए. ओनली देन योर कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस वुड सेड टू बी कंप्लीट. Just mere transferring of information is not communication. A communication process to be completed, it need to be you need to make sure that it is understood in the same manner the way sender has sent the message. Okay, so now we'll proceed with the process of communication. The process of communication, the very first one is sender. Who is the sender? सेंडर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वन हु इनिशिएट्स द मैसेज. सोर्स भी बोलते हैं, जो मैसेज भेजता है, जो कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस को स्टार्ट करता है. देन वी हैव एनकोडिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज एनकोडिंग? एनकोडिंग द मैसेज. एनकोडिंग मैसेज मीन्स दैट सेंडर जिसने चूज किया है, जो सेंडर है, जो इंफॉर्मेशन पास कर रहा है, ही इज सपोज टू डिज़ाइन सर्टन वर्ड्स, सर्टन एक्शंस, जिसके थ्रू वो मैसेज को, अपने आइडियाज़ को डिज़ाइन करता है और वो मैसेज जो है वो भेजता है. अब कैसे भेजता है? ही सेंड्स थ्रू अ मीडिया. नाउ व्हाट इज मीडिया? मीडिया इज द सोर्स ऑफ, और आई शुड रादर से चैनल. जो भी वो मीडियम सिलेक्ट करता है, द सेंडर सिलेक्ट्स द मीडियम through which he needs to send the information. It can be through telephone, it can be orally, it can be it can be through written, it can be through WhatsApp message. Whatever he feels comfortable with, he'll select that, and that thing is known as channel of communication, channel of the message. Then we have receiver. Now what is this receiver? Receiver receives the message. The message sent by the sender is received by the person, and the person is known as receiver. What he does, he decodes the message. Decodes is कि वो उसी तरीके से समझने की कोशिश करता है जिस तरीके से सेंडर ने उसे सेंड किया है. And once he's through with this, he sends the feedback. Now why this feedback is important? Feedback is important because only then the sender will understand that yes, the message has been understood by the receiver in the same way I have processed it. Okay, now among all these, अब इन सारों के once you are going through this process, whole of this process, इसमें एक there can be a noise. Now, what is this noise? You need to understand this also, that what is noise in the communication process. See, it may happen कि आपने जो मैसेज भेजा है वो उसी तरीके से रिसीवर ने समझ लिया, बट इट कैन ऑल्सो हैपन दैट ही हैज़ नॉट अंडरस्टूड इन द सेम वे, एंड देर आर सर्टेन डिसरप्शंस, सर्टेन डिस्टॉर्शन. डिस्टॉर्शन क्या होता है? डिस्टॉर्शन होता है कि कुछ ऐसे ऑब्स्टिकल्स है आपके मैसेज के प्रोसेस में, कम्युनिकेशन के प्रोसेस में, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो प्रोसेस है वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया है, एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज नॉइज, डिस्टॉर्शन. वी ऑल्सो कॉल एज बैरियर्स. Barriers of information also we call it. Now there are certain barriers, we'll also study them, we'll just discuss them. You need to have just knowledge of this. The first one is linguistic barrier. Now linguistic barrier, as you know, comes from the word language. आपने जो मैसेज भेजा है, you have used them, you have used abbreviations which are actually not understood by the receiver. Means जो आपने words select किया है, they are inappropriate, and therefore those are known as linguistic barriers. Second is physical barrier. Now what is physical barrier? Physical barrier is that it may happen that either the sender or the receiver is residing at a place which has lot of noise, lot of interruption. Maybe suppose if somebody is sitting at the railway station and then he is transmitting the message, the background noise is such which is not letting the receiver to understand the message. So in this case also it can be a barrier. Third is cultural barrier. Now cultural barrier, like there are certain things, every culture takes it differently. Okay, so for example, handshake. In certain culture it is considered to be a good sign, in certain culture they don't prefer handshake. So these can also be barriers. Next we have perception. Now perception is what? Perception is whatever thing you have, whatever thing is running into your mind before reading the message. आपने, it happens with us also in our personal life also, कि कई बार क्या होता है, हम किसी चीज़ को ऑलरेडी माइंड में बिठा चुके होते हैं कि नहीं ये चीज़ ऐसे ही होगी. सो whatever is the message, whatever is the thing, you don't bother, you don't consider it, you believe whatever is there in your mind, it is all correct. So here it is more of biasedness. Why biasedness? Because आपने पहले ही सोच लिया कि ये चीज़ ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होगी. So whatever comes in front of you, you do not bother. Then we have technological barrier. Now technological barrier means it may happen that you are using outdated technology. It can be related to hardware, it can be related to software. So though you have selected the medium, but then the receiver, the one who is using it, he is not updated with that technology. In that case also the message can the message is incomplete, the communication process is incomplete. And the last one I would say is systematic. Now systematic is generally it occurs in formal communication. Formal communication, we also call it organizational barrier. Organizational barrier is when you are working in an organization, you need to follow the hierarchy. है ना, आप straight away you cannot go to the CEO and you can just tell the message. No, you need to transmit step by step. So that is systematic barrier. Once you overcome through all these things, then you can say that your communication process is complete. अगर वो complete नहीं है, it may happen that any 6 of these, कोई भी एक इसमें से, it is responsible for the communication process not to be completed. Now we'll also study the types of communication. The types of communication. Broadly, there are two types: verbal communication and non-verbal. By the words, you can easily understand what is verbal and what is non-verbal. See, verbal communication, we also call it oral communication. Means you are again sharing your ideas, sharing your opinion through language. So verbal is oral. Non-verbal is you're not having face-to-face contact. Maybe you're having face-to-face contact, but then you are either using signs, symbols. मीन्स आप बोल नहीं रहे हो, आप बिना बोले अपने मैसेज को कन्वे कर रहे हो. इट हैपन्स ऑल्सो एट टाइम्स विथ आई कॉन्टैक्ट ओनली. इफ यू वांट टू से येस, वी जस्ट nod our head. So in this way also you can complete the communication. See, communication doesn't mean कि आप words का ही use कर रहे हो. Without using words also you can complete the message, like I told you, with the help of signs, with the help of symbols, with the help of colors. If you want to say somebody to stop, you can just show red color, he would understand. Touch. If you want to say somebody don't enter the room, you can just use your hands and you can tell the same. Body language se bhi we can convey. So it is not necessary that you're using words all the time. Facial expressions, yes, one of the most important tool. Facial expressions, when you are there in the interview. See, in interview, practically I would say in just 10 or 20 minutes you cannot judge the knowledge of a candidate. So through your body language, through your facial expressions, he can easily understand what is running into your mind. When you are nervous, your facial expressions also say this. So facial expressions are also very important. Then we have modes. ऊपर हमने टाइप्स किया था, नाउ वी आर डूइंग मोड्स. अंडर मोड्स वी आर हैविंग फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन एंड इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. नाउ फॉर्मल इज, सी, दोनों में मैसेज सेंड हो रहे हैं, दोनों में आप अपने आइडियाज़ को, अपने ओपिनियंस को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पहुंचा रहे हो, बट हियर यू आर फॉलोइंग लीगल चैनल. Now legal channel, as I told you, that when you're working in an organization, you need to follow the hierarchy. And when you're following that hierarchy, for example, if somebody is at the lowest level, he would convey the message to his authority, and then his authority would convey to his manager, and finally the step would go on. So this is formal. Informal is when you're not following any legal channel. Any legal channel. Like when you're talking to your friend, you need not follow any kind of channel. You just straight away convey the message and then you wait for it. So formal and informal, this is the difference. Now if I say communication, the channels of communication, if I talk about channels of communication, अब चैनल्स क्या होते हैं? चैनल्स होते हैं जिनके थ्रू आप अपने मैसेज को रिसीवर तक पहुंचाते हो. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉशियस फॉर व्हाट? while selecting the channel of communication. Once you select the channel of communication, it plays a very important role, because if you're not selecting the correct channel, your information would not pass in the same way. So what are the different channels? Either you can communicate face to face. आप face to face बात कर सकते हो, आप बता सकते हो what is running in your mind. Second is through a phone call. You can just take a phone and you can share the information, or you can just text the message. It helps in to record also. You can have a record of it. So text message also, when we are talking to a friend, if we feel like ठीक है text message भेज दो, the thing would work out. So that also you can do. You can send the message through messenger. Nowadays people use this also a lot. You can either email, informal communication also we use this. Email ke through we convey the information, or you can have live chat, what you call as video calls, video conferencing. If you're talking to more than one, you can have a live chat also. Then you can post the things on social media. This is also a channel of communication, so you can follow any of it. You can go through the old ones like we have in newspapers, telegrams, letters, posting the letters, etc. So these are basic channels of communication. Once you choose them, then you have to choose the channel as per the need. The whatever is the message, accordingly, if you feel like it theek hai, when I go I can just convey the message, you can choose face to face. If you want to keep a record of it, you can go for text message. If you feel it is very formal, first of all I need to take permission or I want to convey through a formal channel, you can go for email. If you feel like yes, you two people are reciting at different places but still you need to have face to face contact, you can go for live chat. If you want, if you are giving the message to a mass means बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए आपने मैसेज को डिज़ाइन किया है, you can use the social channel because it is easily accessible. And if you want to follow the traditional channels, you can go for newspapers, you can go for telegrams and letters, etc. So here we complete this communication topic. In the next video, the second video, we would further be continuing this interpersonal skills. Till then, thank you so much.